How to open Riyad Bank account online. Now this is a quite easy process and can be easily done within the application of Riyad Bank. So make sure you download the application onto your device and just head over to the join us option. Now before you get started, these are the few requirements that you need to have, such as you need to be at least 18 or older. You need to have the AppShare or the Nafat application already installed within your device and have a registered national ID. Or if you are just a visitor, you need to have the visitor ID. Alongside that, you need to have a mobile number that is linked with your Nafat ID as well, because you need to accept it within the Nafat application. So start off by adding in your details depending upon what ID did you have. Add in your phone number and then add in your email address and then simply tap on continue. In the next step, it is going to ask you to authenticate. As I just said, you just need to open up your Nafat ID and then accept your request. Once everything is done, you just need to provide your information and then set up your credentials, which is going to be the username and the password that you need to in order to log into your account. So once your credentials have been created, you can head over to the login page, add in your credentials and then log into your account. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.